kids. In this video, I am presenting a poem on cleanliness. Cleanliness is next to godliness. So, let's start. Name of poem. My dream city is clean city green. Mahatma Gandhi said, my dream city is green city clean. India's Prime Minister has started Swachh Bharat mission. If you want to be a change you want to see in a world. Swachh Bharat start with change in your habits. Don't be so mean. Keep your city clean. Chikungunya and dengue is in the air. Would you still not care? God give us green, now let us keep it clean. Cleanliness is half of God's faith. It's the duty of youth to remove un from the unswatch. I hereby pledge that I keep my city clean. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you like this video.